person than cat person. Nothing against cats that much. I would just like choose a doggy. Crazy time 5x. Where you at, Crazy Time? We haven't seen you for a long period of time. Well, actually, no. In the previous session, you already had it. But, of course, if you could get, like, a multiplier on top of it, it would be better. Come on, Crazy Time. Don't let us down this time. Woohoo! There we go. That's what I'm talking about. All right, Crazy Time. And the thing that makes it better is 5x on top. Okay, guys, join me for a wonderful time in a wonderful world called Crazy Time. Let's go. And there we go, guys. Everything that we see is going to be multiplied as well. 5. Well, mostly we always see that's like the middle one, the blue one. All right. Well, of course, we're hoping for top multiplied now. 500x. Let's go, guys. All right. 100x, ladies and gentlemen, and as well.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.